Django is a web development framework which is based on the Python programming language. Python is a very easy to learn language with increasing popularity. As per the latest TOB index, Python leads as the top ranking programming language. The TOB Programming Community Index is a measure of popularity of programming languages. This is created and maintained by the TOB Software BV based in Eindhoven in Netherlands. They are into quality of software. TOB stands for the importance of being earnest, the title of an 1895 comedy play by Oscar Wilde. The index is calculated from the number of search engine results for queries containing the name of the language. The index covers searches in Google, Google Blogs, Microsoft Network, Yahoo, Baidu, Wikipedia and YouTube. The index is updated once in a month. The index can be used to check whether your programming skills are still up to date or to make a strategic decision about what programming language should be adopted when starting to build a new software system. You can see from the rankings that in November 2020, C was the programming language which was leading the pack. It has now taken the second position and Python has taken the first position in November 2021. There are several advantages of using Django as the programming language for web development. Django was designed to help developers take application from concept to completion as quickly as possible. Django includes dozens of extras you can use to handle common web development tasks. Django takes care of user authentication, content administration, sitemap, RSS feeds, and many more tasks right out of the box. Django takes security very seriously and helps developers avoid many common security mistakes such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, and clickjacking. Its user authentication system provides a secure way to manage user accounts and passwords. Some of the busiest sites like YouTube, Instagram, Washington Post, New York Times, etc. use Django's ability to quickly and flexibly scale up to meet the heavy traffic demands. Companies, organizations, and governments have used Django to build all sorts of things, web applications, from content management systems to social networks to scientific computing platforms like NASA. Django has many built-in modules which makes development very easy. The documentation by Django is a very detailed one with very clear instructions and sample codes. The installation procedure is also extremely simple. The integration with a database is also very simple. Standard procedures are available for popular databases like SQL, MySQL, SQLite, Oracle, etc. No special or paid software is needed. Only Python, which is a free software, is required. It can be used by developers with basic knowledge of Python. Knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is all a bonus. Further details can be found here at djangoproject.com, the website of Django.